It's not too many black places, mostly green.
Here, use this stuff. No problem. Yeah, make sure you don't rip any wiring. Yeah, I think you might need a heat gun. I don't think this is going to be warm enough. Let's give it a try. If it doesn't work, then you borrow the heat gun from the lab first, and we will touch up everything first. So, yeah, just push it, yeah, just come in, Yeah, don't hurt yourself though. I think it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Your dent actually is pretty shallow. Relatively. Try the heat gun. If it doesn't work, then make a hole and pull it out. And you know how to use Bondo, right? You use it before now? Okay. I haven't either, so. Yeah, there you go. Keep on up. This guy. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, keep doing what you're doing. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Well, great. Hey, perfect. Beautiful. Original bumper. I can't believe it. Amazing. That looks pretty bad. I was afraid that it won't come out. I was afraid that our hair dryer wasn't hot enough. But that idea have two hair dryers outside.
That was actually